Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today's video how to remove that download thing. You can see that download recent download history, how to remove that recent download history. If you click that download button, even if you click that close button, is not removing. You can see still recent download history on the screen. How to get rid of that recent download history? Okay, scroll down, we can see that pull download history. Click this one. Okay, there's so many download history on my screen right now. Today is yesterday, April 6th, 5th. Can see whole month download history on that screen. Go one by one like that. Then you can remove that download history. If you not see download history on right here, you can go that three dots. Click on that three dots. Scroll down. You can see that download. Click on that downloads. Okay, same thing that previously I show you that same page. Then you can go that cross one by one. Then remove that download history. That's the way how to remove that recent download history on your computer. Okay, then I'm going to cross this one. Okay, back to Google. You can see anymore that download history on your screen. You want to make sure you go back to three dots, scroll down, downloads. Okay, no more any download history on your computer. Okay guys, that's the way how to remove that download history on your computer. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.